COVID-19 claims one more life in Assam. Virus cases crosses 100 mark. Six Karbi youths stranded in Karnataka seek help from KAEC. District Congress leaders visit remotest village on the Dwar Amla constituency. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Bepi with the latest news of today. Now let's have a look into the news in detail. People of Assam are now becoming to face their worst fear as the numbers of COVID-19 cases are increasing day by day. Ever since stranded people began reaching their home state. Here is a report of COVID-19 count in Assam as informed by Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. With another 10 new cases, the total number of COVID-19 positive in the state has crossed the century mark. Of the 10 patients, 3 are from both Guwahati and Kachar district, 2 from Golaghat and 1 each from Jorhat and Nagaon. Out of the 106 registered cases, 41 have been discharged, 60 are active, 3 had died and 2 have migrated. During his press conference on Monday, Minister Sarma along with the state BJP President Ranjit Das briefed about the Self-Reliant India project and the way Assam will benefit from it. He said that under the new scheme to boost farmers, the persons engaged in piggery, duck and chicken farming will now be eligible to obtain KCC loans from the bank. NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. Conditions of migrant workers from Karbi Anglong who are still stranded in various parts of the states in India are becoming more critical as the lockdown have been extended. Another 6 Karbi youths stranded in Karnataka are now seeking immediate assistance for their food and return. Here is a report. These youth who left home in search of job never thought that they would ever have to face such a day, when they would be left with no food and would even be forced to leave their place by their employer. The 6 Karbi youths who are stranded in Karnataka are Birson Timu, Ajit Lekthe, Welking Ingling, Mongol Singh Kramsa, Ken Singh Rongpar and Bijoy Ingti. Prior to lockdown, these youths were engaged in Hotel Vivera Grand located at Sidhanur under Rasihur district of Karnataka. The hotel had to close down due to lockdown, resulting these youths being sacked.
Karbi Anglong, Kitri, Kake Haisa, Tuliram Romham, Nolifan, Timuram Hegel of Sonla, Militum Dak Kido, Kaposto, Kichum, Wikan Kedanglo, Irideng Kido, Tankasika, Indian, Militum Kichu, Ahormuata, Militum Tunam, no Militum Heriday, Tanata, belong Militum Kido, Adim Nankavelo, Militum of Dak Kido, Sar, Punta, Damon Gusinali. Plot nasi milik tumafan thomgat si abes nangke table nasi milik tumafan yang si dapat nang terji kalau milik tumpuna si dolang ma si damlang ma nasi nang li fan si tuning rilo nang li milik tumafan engine so ji dapat milik tumafan nang rabe ji kusi nang milik tum ning cethelo.
They have no money left with them and are now facing severe food crisis. These youths are now looking forward for immediate assistance and have urged upon the KAEC CEM Tuliram Ronghang for their rescue. NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. In an interesting development, public and leaders of Upper Dikrong area had on Sunday visited the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Aid Center at Dilai after getting almost zero services ever since its establishment. The visit was made to get a glimpse of the present condition under which the sub-center is functioning and found that there isn't anything left positive to report about the center. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Aid Center at Dilai, located near the NH36 road in the 12-mile area, falling under the Dhansiri constituency, has been covering huge areas, but only 2 staff is currently engaged to carry out services. This center is running without several essential service and facilities, due to which a huge number of people questioned the purpose and relevance of the office.
Karong a complain abang ke ladak facilities mimi na pen galang litum stame thek dunong lo je ladak bang doktor abang stame time to time je bang we pen chenglok militum dak nang hori pen pini la bang solam long lo lasi militum kotar se tame lang dam lo chokidar kotar se tame hingno pin lo krek lab lo la pen ke doktora a kotar se tame dolo doktora kotar se tame krek lab lo la pen hospital ma se tame krek lab lo Athea prang news ki pen non repairing bang pen thang napta kimisen ke theklong averi.
In addition to this, local villagers told Karbi Anglong Live that the repair work was carried out in 2019, but the condition of the center is extremely pathetic and the quarters for doctor, chokidar and the center building are also equally appalling. In reality, the quarters are almost unfit for human habitation, as other basic facilities like electricity, water and bathroom are also non-existent.
ডক্টৰ কাৰণে বিচাৰি আহে মানুহবিলাক ডক্টৰ নাপায় প্লাছ ইয়াতে দাৱাই বিচাৰিলে দাৱাই নাপায় এতিয়া মেইন কথা হৈ গ'ল মানুহবিলাক আহে ভিতৰ পৰা হুদে ডক্টৰ কাৰণে ডক্টৰ নাই ডক্টৰ থাকে তাতে আৰু ডক্টৰ তাতে থকা কথা হৈ গ'ল ইয়াতে ডক্টৰ কাৰণে কোৱাৰ্টাৰ ভাল নাই কোৱাৰ্টাৰবিলাক সব ভাঙি গ'ল কোৱাৰ্টাৰ বনা নাই আৰু তাত পৰা যোনটো ইয়াৰলি ভেকচিন আহে এইবিলাক ভেকচিন কাৰণেও আমাৰ ইয়াত অফিচত ফ্ৰিজ এটা হ'ব লাগে ফ্ৰিজ নাই সেইকাৰণে মই চৰকাৰক এইটোৱে ক'ব বিচাৰোঁ যে কোৱাৰ্টাৰটো ডক্টৰ কাৰণে বনাই দিয়ক প্লাছ ইয়াতে আপুনি ফ্ৰিজটো আনি দিয়ক ডক্টৰ ইয়াত বহিবৰ কাৰণে সুবিধা দিয়ক যাতে পাব্লিকবিলাক আহি কিনে এনি টাইম ডক্টৰক পাব পাৰে ইয়াতে
The Upper Dikrong KSA President Budho Kramsa and village elders have urged upon the concerned department and the local authority to increase numbers of staffs and to upgrade the facilities in the center. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. Since the beginning of nationwide lockdown on March 25, several families have been severely hit due to shortage of food and employment. Following this, the Duaramla Model Congress Committee on Monday visited Tharve Kedok village in the most interior part of West Karbi Anglong for assessment of the ground reality. Our Hamran correspondent brings you this report. The team to Tharve Kedok village was led by Duaramla Mandal Congress Committee President Bijoy Tiron and Secretary Rajiv Milik. The village has a total of 20 families and their conditions are extremely appalling. The village has no electricity, no school nearby, no road for communication. In addition to this, the village has been deprived of IAY or PMAY, nor Swachh Bharat Mission and other government schemes, despite each villagers being one of the poorest people of the hill district. After failing to receive any attention from government and local representative, the villagers would often collect money among themselves to repair the muddy road.
Da kichulong le hektik munitum kisung dukan daru tame inkir la malang litum ta nhok da dam thekte la pelang litum sang peneta bareson partis tamelang litum kadure hektik la sinili pini alang litum long na humri si nilihin pen jungjung pen asawet suri kep tamelang litum hanili pajir kanglo.
Extending a little help to the villagers during his visit, Bijoy Tiron urged upon the government to necessary steps at the earliest to let the villagers see a new pace of development. Daniel Inghi reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Keep watching. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.